Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your email address on Mega account. So first we're going to go to the Mega app. Then you're going to click on menu on the lower right corner. Then here you're going to click on your name, which is on the top of the list. Then here you're going to click on change email address. So you're going to insert your new email address. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.